Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your laptop is lagging on Windows 11 computer. These methods I am performing on the Windows 10 computer, but all the methods are similar in the Windows 11 also. So first method is change your Windows 11 power mode. To do that you need to go to the start menu, go to setting, then after go to the system section and go to the power and sleep section. Then click on additional power settings. Okay, you can see currently set the power plan as a balanced, that is a normal usage plan. But if you need to base performance one, you need to create a power plan and select the high performance and tap on next. You can rename this one, but I already created that one. Just select that one. Then also you can change the plan setting as well. So now you are on the highest performance on your computer. Second method is you need to check for thermal throttling. If your computer is overheating time to time, then your thermal paste is could be dry or some block the air vents kind of things. So first you need to, if you are using laptop, you need to elevate the laptop. Never use a lagging laptop flat on the bed, couch or blanket, because it blocks the intake vents on the bottom. Most of the laptop has intake is in the bottom. If you are using on the couch or bed, those vents will be blocked. So make sure to use in flat surface, and also clean the vents. Take a can of compressed air and blow it through the intake vents, usually on the bottom, and exhaust vents, usually on the back of the sides. Clear out the trapped dust bunnies. And the third method is you need to turn off Virtualization-Based security, that is VBS. To do that, just go to search bar, type core isolation, just tap on it. Look for memory integrity. So you can see in here, toggle the switch to off. Currently it is already switched off. If it is turned on, you need to turn it off. Then after you need to restart the laptop for the changes to take effect. Fourth method is force Windows to use your dedicated graphic card. If your laptop has dedicated graphic card like Nvidia or AMD, and still computer is using your integrated graphic card, you need to force to use that one. To do that, just go to start menu, go to setting, go to the system, go to the scroll down and display section, scroll down, tap on advanced display setting. Okay, scroll go back a little bit, tap on graphic setting, not advanced display setting. Okay, in my case I only have one graphic card, that's why it show only one thing. But if you have dedicated graphic card, you will see there is a option for change the graphic card. You just select the dedicated graphic card from here, then after click on save. And fifth method is disable startup apps and heavy background services. To do that, you need to press Ctrl, Shift and ESC keys together, or else you can right click on it, the taskbar, tap on Task Manager. Click on the startup tab like this. In here you can see all the applications that are effective startup on your computer. Go to the startup impact section, find which applications has highest impact. In my case, this is the highest impact one. You just need to tap on disable option, and because if it is not needed when it is started, just select the disable option. Then after you can close this one, and also select and disable heavy software that you don't need to run on your computer. Just go to start menu, go to setting, then go to app section. These are the applications currently installed on your computer. You can simply select the application that is not needed and it is a heavy application. Just tap on uninstall and uninstall it from your computer. And the sixth method is optimize your virtual memory. To do that, you need to go to the search bar again. This is used for if your laptop only has 8 GB RAM. Windows 11 will easily run out of the space when you open multiple browser tabs. When RAM fills up, Windows uses a portion of your storage drive as virtual memory. If this setting is misconfigured, it causes extreme stuttering. So in the search bar, you need to type advanced system setting. Okay, just tap on view advanced system setting under the control panel. Okay, so under the advanced tab you need to go to the click setting inside the performance section. Okay, now there are several options here. You need to switch the advanced tab. Tap on adjust for best performance option. And also you need to go to the advanced tab. Under the virtual memory section, tap on change option. Make sure the box is automatically managing the paging file size. If it is unchecked, you just need to select the check like this, then now tap on OK.